Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to discuss evaluating the success of our funnel. In order to do that, we're going to go back to our home page, and then we're going to go to the conversions link. We're then going to click on the goals, and then we are going to look at the funnel visualization link. Now, currently, there is no data because the goals were just set. However, as your funnel begins to get traffic, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to see a visualization of what is happening in your funnel. And at every stage, you'll be able to evaluate what's happening and where people may or may not be dropping off. Now, one aspect of your funnel visualization that also exists in some of the other reporting screens is that you can actually go to the intelligence link. And when you have a funnel, this is a good place for you to be able to ask questions about what is happening in your funnel. For example, in the intelligence area, Google says you can ask basic questions, you can check performance, and you can chart trends. So you can ask any of these questions in the following form in the intelligence area to get answers on what is happening in your funnel. Now, at any point in time, if you want to find out what is happening with any of the other goals, all you'll need to do is to hit this drop down arrow, and you'll be able to look at exact data on the opt-in level as well as the sales made level. So basically, in order to make sense of the goal funnel, you'll need to decide on what success looks like for reaching the end of the funnel. If you determine that it is reaching the first download page, you'll need to designate that as your goal. If you determine it's reaching the second download page, you'll need to use that as your goal. But again, you'll be able to visualize where people are making decisions so that you will be able to make changes that fit your business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.